What's going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to use the Bookmarks Toolbar in Mozilla Firefox. So first things first is you want to go up to the top of the browser here and right click and just make sure that you have the Bookmarks Toolbar checked off. So make sure it's enabled, and that's going to show you all the bookmarks you have open. So I have a bunch of different bookmarks here that I have for my personal use. I don't usually show these just because I don't really want to, but if you want to make your own bookmarks, first of all, I'm going to show you guys how to delete. So I'm going to right click on this guy and just delete it because I actually don't really need this anymore. So I'm going to delete that and say I want to make a new bookmark of this current web page that I'm on. So all you have to do is just grab the tab and just drag it to the end of the Bookmarks toolbar, and boom, there you go. You have your own bookmark for this exact website. So you just click here and it'll bring you right to where your bookmark is. Pretty simple, and honestly I think this is the best way to do it. You don't have to do right click new bookmark, because you could also do it this way. You can right click and do a new bookmark. First I'm going to delete this, and then you can just type in the location of the bookmark, like the website. You have to type in the URL, so I'm just going to type this here and click add, and this is my new bookmark. You have to, that's just a lot of work. You have to rename it, you have to type out the name, you have to type out the website address. It's much easier if you just drag it down here and add your own bookmark. That way it gets the website name, it gets the address, it gets everything you need. So I prefer that way. But I will show one more thing. You can also create a folder. So I have a folder here of stuff that I'm looking for jobs. So how you can do this is you right click and you create a new folder, and you rename your folder to whatever you want it to be. So I'm just going to name this school stuff, and then I'm just going to drag all my school things in here, and that's all it takes. You just drag all your bookmarks into this folder and it'll add them to the folder. Now when you click on this folder in the toolbar, it will hover over all of these, and now you can select the one you want. So, and you can also click open in all tabs to open all three of those at once. So that's how you use the Bookmarks toolbar. Really quick tutorial. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.